So after that very rude interruption last video, we're back again with some more electronic stuff. So let's have a look at what we got here. We've got a SN74HC SN74LS 500N. We've got I'm assuming he put these in a certain way because I don't know what half of them do. Help me fly. See here. Oh, hello, there's a very small one here, I don't know what that is. I'll soon find out. There's another one. SN74LS123, I don't know what that is. I literally don't know any of these numbers. Alright, now I recognize this. Guys, do you know what this is? This looks to be an electromagnet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some wire strippers. I'm actually going to strip those wires and have a look at them. There's a nice switch here. That's very handy. He's done a pretty good soldering job on those. Maddie, if you're watching, you've done a good soldering job. So well done. Ooh, the pins are a bit bent though. Malaysia. Oh, I'm not using that one. The one we have there. But yeah, so apparently we've got. Wait, this might be a solar panel as well. That's quite obviously a solar panel. It's still got covering on it, so that's. Alright, so what we've got here, as I say, we've got a mercury switch. So this is actually mercury in here. I've never actually seen a real mercury. So mercury switches are used to detect certain motion. So I can have maybe like a motor here, I think, that will so like when it detects that, then it will just go down. So it'll be like right, until it finds the right level. I don't know, so something like that. So like that's just one example, but it's not a very good example. I still can't believe it's mercury. Hello, some. Don't bend the pins. Some bent pins there. I've got no idea what that is. Looks like some kind of pulse or something. I don't know what that is. It looks like one of those like sensors you get in an EEG or something. So as you can see here, we've got a potentiometer. But I'm pretty sure this is an electromagnet. So what I'm going to do is, as I say, get some wire strippers. My teeth probably. And yeah, just figure out what that is. I'm very fond of this nice big switch here. Quite fond of that. I don't know whether this is, I don't know what this is. I think it's just a LCD display. This is from one of the iPod Classics, actually. Oh well, we'll find out what it is when I start it all up. So yeah, so once again, a big thank you to Matty as a fatty for supplying me with this. Tell me if I got anything wrong. Don't tell me I got those wrong, because I know I've got them right. But yeah, so as I say, big thank you. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all later, hopefully with all this set up. So actually, I might bring my electronics out here and have a look at them. So I don't know what voltage these take. All that low. That's not very good. Some wire dust on here. It's not very good. This feels very tight, so I'm not very. I don't know what. I don't know. Something. So yeah. Oh look, he's got the same breadboard as I do. The good thing is that I've actually got another 2 parcels coming. One of them contains a 12 volt voltage thing, so that'll be really handy. So yeah, but what you do with this is you actually wear it like that, so it actually takes the static charge out of you. So literally, it literally takes the static charge out of you. Yeah, but it doesn't seem to have any that I recognise. Gold Star. I didn't know they made. But yeah, so we got loads of different ICs. We got on the other side. Yeah, we got some resistors. We got some capacitors. I like this big one. that's gonna be really fun to use. What I do with capacitors, I just put them on my tongue and feel a zap. Yeah, I'm an idiot. If you haven't noticed. Wow, that's a thick diode. But what kind of voltage are you putting through it? Probably about 12 volts. So yeah, he's got resistors here. Let's just gently unwrap these. Wow, check that out. Got some wire there. But yeah, as I say, I don't know, I kept on delaying it. Thanks again, Maddie. Looks really good. Can't wait to start fiddling around with it, seeing what everything does. I really want to see these motors in action. The speakers are very good. I don't know what this is. Probably something like testicle electromagnet thingy. I don't know what it is. That's as I keep on saying, that's a potentiometer. So what I can do is I can actually it's wired up the wrong way. Maddie, you wired that up the wrong way. It's meant to be the middle one. Yeah, like that. But yeah, so I can do a lot with these. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. I really hope to see what I do with all these on my channel soon.
So, yeah, I'll see you all later.
Bye, guys.